What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a closer look at the U2Air Pro. This is a wireless adapter for CarPlay in the car. Quick disclaimer before we jump into the setup. I do want to point something out. I know some people, I've been doing some videos on Apple CarPlay, Android Auto devices. This specific device is very niche. You need to have Apple CarPlay in your car to start with. So if your car doesn't have supported Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, then this is probably not the product for you, because it is a wireless adapter and it is just a small little device that allows you to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly. So like I said, your car needs to have Android Auto / Apple CarPlay by default, so it needs to have the wired version in order for you to be able to use this. So if you do have wired version for any of these, stick around. This is going to be a nice little device that you guys can get for your car. If you don't, then maybe save this video for whenever you get a car that has supported Apple CarPlay. So the product is really simple. It's very simple. There's just 2 steps. It's a simple little box. I'm going to take it out of here real quick. It's a simple little box that comes in this really neat package, and you'll see it's this very neat little adapter. Now over time they've changed the design of this little box. It's been more bulky. There's other ones where you'll see there's like this 3D print that's been a lot more pronounced, and they just made an overall simpler, more sleek product, which is really good. You'll see there's a power button here and a USB-C plug-in, which is what is really good is that inside of the box they give you the 2 adapters depending on your car. So maybe you have a brand new car which is like 2020, 2021 or something, and you have double USB-C support, so you can use this, which is really convenient. But they also give you a USB-C to USB 3.0, which is great. This will be supported on basically any car of that matter. That's literally it. That's all you get in the box. User manual. Obviously, there's some pages in English, and then there's some parts where it's written in Chinese, Japanese. If you can read this, then honestly, congrats, but I can't. One last thing, they do give you an adhesive tape. So if ever you wanted to glue this, for example, I don't know, you want your USB port is somewhere in a weird spot in your car, and as you guys will see, the cables are relatively short. You can plug it in, put the adhesive tape on the back, and like have it glued like here, or maybe you want to put it here, or depending on whatever your preference is, you can do that. For the purpose of this video, I will not be using the adhesive tape as I just don't really need it. The point is, I really want to set this up and show you guys how easy it is to it's basically just plug and play. And usually these are the best products. Plug and play, super easy. You know, you just have one cable, plug it in, bada boom, bam, pow, you're ready to go. So in this specific car, I have my good friend here, Brian, behind the camera, and we're also using his car as an example. He's driving a Chevrolet, and this is a 2017, 18? 17. So it says 2017. It has Apple CarPlay support and Android Auto. For this purpose of this video, we're going to be using Apple CarPlay since I have an iPhone. This one, I'll show you really quickly. It has a plug and play, so this one is supported with Apple CarPlay. If you plug the phone, there you go, it shows up here. Super easy. So what I'm going to be showing you guys with this specific device is we're going to be removing this cable, and you're going to be able to use it wirelessly. You're not going to be limited and restricted by a cable. For example, if you're a full car, if there's 4 people in the car and you want to pass around the phone for aux, DJ, you guys know how it gets pretty hectic, or it gets kind of fun in the car. If you want to do that, this device is perfect for that, because your phone's going to be connected wirelessly, so you can kind of just like toss the phone around. I'm going to unplug it for now, and I'm going to set it up really quickly. Bro, I'm not going to lie, this cable is freaking tiny. There we go, plug and play. You'll notice there's a little light up. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't notice that, but there's a little light up that pops up here. And for the setup, it's actually relatively simple. It'll show you a little message here. Apple CarPlay and its third-party app services may use your vehicle's information. Only use Apple CarPlay is not provided vehicle manufacturer. That's fine. A little disclaimer. No need to worry about that. So if you go on Bluetooth here and you try to connect it, it'll show up. So the name of this is AutoCast. On this specific one has Auto 14ED. You just got to click on it real quick. It'll show you pair. What you want to do is click pair. Now it'll allow you, if you want to favorite allow contacts and favorites to sync. Depends on you. For the purpose of this video, I will not be allowing that because I don't really need it. But the whole point is just to show you how quickly and simple this should connect. So now it's going to ask you, it's connected. The light is blue. Use Apple CarPlay. And as you'll notice on the screen, the device is connected. And it should take only a couple of seconds here until we actually see something. And there we go. That's literally it. Super simple, plug and play. And now you're ready to jump back into like listening to music. For example, this is the song you were playing earlier. I'm just going to put it a little, I'm not going to put it too loud. But yeah, as you can see, it works perfectly fine. And that's it. So the beautiful thing about this specific device is that that's it. 2 steps. Plug, connect, and you're done. It literally didn't take us any more than 2 minutes, and it's really good. So if ever you guys were looking towards getting this, like I said, Last disclaimer, you need to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for this matter. If you are interested in the product, links will be in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out for you guys. There's also a couple of other variants, but this is the more, put the damn box. This is the latest version of their product. I know there's some other ones. I've been familiar with this product in the past, and I know they had some other boxes that were really chunky, pretty big, and the actual software and the operating system inside wasn't that good. We all look for gadgets and things that make our life easy. This is one of them. Now I want to give a quick thank you to U2Air Pro for sponsoring the video. They sent out this product, so if ever you guys wanted to pick them up, there's going to be a link in the description down below. Go ahead and use the code. You're going to save yourselves a couple bucks on it. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if any of you guys actually do end up picking this up. Let me know if you're going to be rocking it in your car. With that being said, this has been your boy. I'm signing out. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and as always, stay safe, and I wish you the best of luck in everything you do. Deuces. Alright guys, so for the purpose of the video, I have the Google Pixel 8 Pro right here, and I'm trying to connect it to the app. Because I know this one works for Apple CarPlay, but I'm not entirely sure if it has support. Actually, you need to get another one. So on their website, on AutoCast, you'll be able to buy one for either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This one specifically is for Apple CarPlay. I showed you guys it doesn't work, but fear not, they have other ones for Android Auto if you guys were rocking like a Pixel or a Samsung. So you're going to be able to get those. I'll leave some links for those in the description down below as well.